Hi everybody and welcome back. So today we're making mozzarella crusted chicken. So after you marinate your chicken breast in the buttermilk for 45 minutes, you're gonna want to start taking them out and putting them in flour to coat them. So I double coat it. So I'll coat it here, coat them all, and then I put it back into flour just to make sure that everything's getting coated and sealed. Make sure you put seasonings in your flour and buttermilk as well. So for this, I used salt, pepper, garlic, salt, and then a Cajun seasoning. So I do that in the buttermilk and in the flour just to make sure everything's properly seasoned. But yeah, just make sure you coat it really well as like I said, and then you're gonna want it to sit out for 10 minutes after you coat it to get it up to room temperature. And then make sure your oil is about 375 degrees, right around there. And then go ahead and place both of them in however many you're cooking. You're gonna want to cook it for about 4 minutes, 4.5 minutes, and then I take them out and do the other batch, what you'll see here in a second. And then basically while the other batch is cooking, the other ones are resting, and then I put it back in for about 2 to 2.5 minutes just for extra crispiness. So total it's going to be in for about 6.5-ish minutes. But once they're done, go ahead and get some tomato sauce, and you're going to use that as a base layer to put on your chicken. So go ahead and coat it however much you want. And then for cheese, we used mozzarella. You can use Parmesan, whatever kind of cheese you want. We just wanted to do mozzarella. So we got these mozzarella balls, and basically just however much you want. You know we love cheese, so we put it all over. And make sure your oven is preheated to 400 degrees. And we keep it in 400 basically until the cheese is melted to how we want it. But yeah, really easy meal. Didn't take too much time. You don't have to fry your chicken. You can also do regular chicken breast, and this is what it's going to look like when it's done. And thank you for watching.